How to create a Jooble account. If you are new to Jooble and want to start saving jobs or tracking applications, creating an account is the first step. First, open Jooble and tap the profile icon or the sign up option on the home page. You'll see fields for your email and password. Enter your details, then tap create account. Jooble may send a verification email. Open it and confirm your account to complete the setup. Once verified, return to Jooble and sign in. You'll now have access to features like saving job searches, bookmarking job posts, and receiving recommended listings based on your preferences. Use an email you check often because many employers send updates or interview requests directly through your inbox. Have you already created your Jooble account, or is this your first time trying it? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can create a Jooble account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.